We'll need threads, needle, seed beads and zircon stone of 2 millimeters. Take around 1 or 1.5 meters of the thread and take 20 Czech seed beads of size 10-0. Connect together. Pass with the thread around all the seed beads. Next to our tail come out here and make a knot. Pass with our needle and thread 2 seed beads forward like that and pull a bit to hide our knot. Then we take 1 seed bead, we skip 1 and we enter to the next one, peyote stitch. Again we take 1, we skip 1 and we enter into the next one. Again skip and enter to the next. Again 1, skip 1 and enter to the next. And we do the same till the end of the row. Skip 1 and enter to the next. And last seed bead in this row, skip 1 and make a step up. Here we enter the seed bead of the first row and into the seed bead, into the first seed bead of our second row. This was our step up. Now we will use zircon stone of 2 millimeters. Take 1 zircon stone, enter into the seed bead. We like to fill in the gaps with zircon stone. Again take 1, enter into the seed bead. One into the seed bead. And we continue till the end of the row. Fill in the gaps with zircon stone of 2 millimeters. Step up here. We enter into the seed bead and into the zircon stone. Next row will be as well with circumstones. We take one circumstone and we enter to the circumstone of previous row. Again, we take one and we enter into the next circumstone. One and we enter into the circumstone again. And we continue the same till the end of this row. And we do a step up here, we enter into our first circumstone and to the next circumstone. This is the step up. Circumstone of first row and second row. Now take our Rivoli crystal and insert it into our circumstones. In this lesson we will finish our bezeling part. So in the last lesson we came out from circumstone and we did a step up. For this lesson you will need seed beads size 15-0, Japanese Toho seed beads. And we start. Take one seed bead and enter into the circumstone of the last row. It is going out. You will see straight away where you have to enter your seed bead. And again, one seed bead, enter into the circumstone of the previous row. And we continue, one seed bead into the circumstone. Here, as you understand, can be any stone or bead of 2 millimeters. It can be as well seed beads. For example, you can find tutorial, or maybe you know already how to bezel 10 millimeter crystal, and from there you can find other ways how you can bezel it. But in this tutorial I show you my way how I do it. I use 2 millimeter circumstone. So now we continue with one seed bead size 15-0 and we enter into the circumstone. Like that we creating base for our Rivoli crystal. Okay, we continue one seed bead into the circumstone. Don't forget to pull, and now here we have last seed bead of this row. We enter into the circumstone of our previous row and into this seed bead from where we started. It will be our step up, and we pull. After first row of 15-0 of purple color seed beads, for our convenience in the next steps I will add one row of 15-0 seed beads, but in green color. Our previous row was 2 seed beads of 15-0. Now we take green 15-0 and we enter into the purple 15-0. We will create only one row with green seed beads, and we enter to the next purple seed bead. We take green and we enter to the purple. One green into the purple seed bead. And we do so till the end of the row. Enter with the green seed bead into the purple seed bead. And a step up here into the purple and into the green. Last row of 15-0 will be again purple. And we enter into the green. Purple seed bead goes to the green seed bead. Again, purple into the green. Purple 15-0 into the green 15-0. And step up here into the green and into the purple. We finished bezeling our stone, and see you in next lesson.